Hello, my alien friends. Today we are going to learn how to use glue stick. Here is a common glue stick. First, prepare anything you want to paste it. We are going to use paper pieces from previous clip. Second, open the lid. Third, hold the body and bottom separately. Fourth, twist the bottom clockwise. Fifth, put the glue on the paper piece. Sixth, paste it. Seventh, then twist the bottom counterclockwise. Eighth, close the lid. You can make long ribbon using glue and paper pieces. Ta-da! That's all for today. Thanks and welcome to Earth. How to for Aliens.